Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rona Asuncion. My age is 27 years old. My marital status is married with one children. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a housekeeping in Cagayan Valley Medical Center Hospital since June 7, 2019 to present. My duties and responsibilities are thus wipe windows, doors, tables and other fixtures, mops, scrub floor and walls, like floor tiles and comfort rooms, scrub toilet fixtures, wash doormats, rugs, and collect garbage and dispose. I can sing nursery rhymes like Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. My special skills are elderly care, caring for disabled, tutoring, driving, cooking, and caregiving. The advantage of my future employer, if they will hire me, are I am trustworthy, hardworking, easily learn, I will obey you as my employer, and I am looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. Thank you, sir, ma'am.